as y'all can see, we back with another video, man. Finna get this rain POV. Hey, man, somebody gift me with a GoPro, bro. My birthday's this month. I'm just saying, B. Gift me with a GoPro, please. Cause me holding the phone, bro, and what we finna get into today, it's not gonna cut it, bro. It's not gonna cut it. But anyways, man, listen up. So, we finna do this rain POV drive, whatever. I never went over to Tazer, I don't think. Really. But y'all know, we got custom mode, sport mode, and track mode, bro. So y'all know what we finna get into today. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm on the road. So like I was saying, bro, y'all know what we finna get into, man. We in regular mode, bro, custom mode, nothing going on, street traction on, you feel me? I'm finna show you the screen real quick. Had to pull over, get my windows right, man. Let's go to apps, you feel me? Let's just throw it in. Nah, we're gonna keep it in street traction so I can show y'all how it is. I already know how it is, you feel me? I drive it every day, all types of weather. Somebody hit my line with a freaking GoPro, man. I ain't gonna be too loud up in here, I don't even know them. But let's see, the street traction kicking. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Hopefully they don't hate me. Let's go back on these main roads. Oh, we can cut down this way. You can see street traction, it fights it, I ain't even gonna lie. But I'm finna switch it to sport traction in a second. You can see street, let's throw it in sports traction. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go this way. Let's see what happens. Sport traction once you get busy, I ain't even gonna lie. We're gonna have to hit that again. We're gonna have to hit that again. That's sport traction, let you get busy now. I ain't even gonna cap, bro. Let me go ahead and turn in here real quick, man. I know people looking like, he's crazy. Why is he driving like that in the rain? Nobody coming. Rolling the grass a little bit, it's cool. As you can see, let's see, we're gonna smash it. Yeah, that's sport traction once you go ahead and go. We are back rolling, man. Let's see this one. Woo! Now that's sport traction. Sport mode lets you get loose, so I ain't gonna lie. I ain't really trying to light it up over here like that, but oh, whew. That was a little whoopty that passes right there. All that spinning. We get. I ain't even gonna. Y'all see what we doing right now. First gear, let's see. That will fight you. I mean, you can still have fun in the rain with, you see what I'm saying, sport traction on. Honestly, I don't know about track. I never really use track. But we finna switch in a second, bro. Alright, we are back on the move. Oh, let's see. Oh, hell no. That track traction, ew. Ew. Track is different though, like, it holds the revs. It doesn't take much to like go anywhere. I don't even have to go full throttle with that. Like, you just literally tapping that shit, just fighting. Let's see. Let's see. Bro, I need a 360 GoPro too, like to get the outside footage. Let me see right here, bro. So we from a stop, right? From a stop. Track mode, track traction from a stop. Floors it? Yeah. Yeah, it's fighting. Ew. Yeah, traction is not the wave, bro. I'm about to barely get on it, watch. Barely on the throttle, bro. I hope the camera's really picking that up. It's just us out here. Let's get wild. Ooh, we holding that bit. We holding that bit. Ooh. I mean, you can't help but come outside and slide in the rain, bro. It's just too easy. It's just too fun. Tap that hole. Ooh, it's live. Gotta learn how to just control that wheel, man. Control the wheel and throttle input. That's really all it is. Bro, I hope the camera's not like too crazy. I'm trying with my one hand, recording the driving. Thank God this ain't no manual. That's all it is. Control it. Control it. Might try to get one more slide in. I'm saying no blue lights this way, that way. Let's see. And we gonna call it that, bro.